We will now use Git to manage versions of our code. And if you're not familiar with Git, it's a tool that you push your code into and you can upgrade or update versions of your code. Now, the reason you want to do that is because in case the agent does hallucinate or make an error in your code, you can roll it back to a previous version. What you can see I'm doing is I gave it a really basic instruction and said just add Git to the project, and it's smart enough to know about what Git is. And I've already connected my Git. And so what it's doing is going through all of the steps necessary one step at a time and asking me to confirm, are you sure you want me to do this? Because this is a fairly significant step that I could erase an existing repo or code base or versions of my code. And so it's better if I step through this one by one, at least initially, to make sure it's doing the right thing. So I'm going to now approve each of these steps as it goes through and just observe and see what it does. But in the future, once I'm happy with this as a process, I can click on use allow list on the left hand side there in the drop down to say I'm going to allow you to do this from now on. You don't need to ask me. So when I'm ready, I click on run and it'll run this initial step. And what it's going to do is create a local repository on my local machine, and it's going to push all of the changes into that repository initially. And I will be able to push those changes online to my global online GitHub repository at a later date. But for now, it's creating a local repo. All changes I can push into that and I can update. And when I'm happy, I can push that to a live server or my online version. So you can see that it's going through one step at a time and it's saying, are you sure you want me to do this? I'm quite happy with it. And so I proceed.